Welcome to the shortwave radio channel, and this is the Qodosen DX-286. This is a great radio according to a lot of people. Thanks to Qodosen that sent me two of them to review. It's really nice of them to help out. So this is the unboxing of the Qodosen receiver. And this is a long wave, medium wave, short wave, and FM receiver, high performance digital receiver, as they actually say. Open the box, and first thing we see is a little plastic case. And here we go. Remove this plastic case. It's a little plastic. Let's check it out. Open it. We will open the case. In it we have a little instruction manual that looks actually better built than many instruction manuals I've seen. It's a nice little booklet here. So the user guide is here. We have this as the features of the Qodosen receiver. So this looks like a sticker actually. So this is going to be interesting to check out, and of course they do give you a warning about charging. So this, and on the right side here, nice little feels like felt inside. We have the little pouch where you can actually put the radio to if you want to carry it along and make sure it doesn't, you don't scratch it, and keep it safe. And of course this is the carrying strap. We have a charging cable, which is USB-A to USB-C, which sounds like USB-C. Not exactly, not sure. This is maybe, no, this is a USB, micro USB, sorry. And then the radio itself, there's a little, of course, these are to prevent humidity from buildup. And in here we have the radio. And here it is. A beautiful little radio. Qodosen. Nice. The button looks nice. And all the different options. We have the tuning knob on the right. And the volume control here. We have charging port. We have earphones. We have external antenna capabilities. Can't wait to put this to the test. Beautiful little radio. I'd say it's about the size of a Texan PL330, but a little thicker than the PL330. I would say, because the PL330 takes a BL5C battery. This one takes, and is not included in here, a 18650 that I will actually put in. I've got several of them here. So this is the radio. We'll of course put it to test. We have a small little plastic hinge to put the radio at an angle when using it. So this is going to definitely be pretty cool to test out. So coming up, the testing of the Qodosen DX-286, and of course a full extensive review will come up in the next few days. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.